Hi guys, we're going to get started with lesson 110 today, and we're going to finish our last week of traditional phonics that you guys are used to with our worksheets this week. I know you're all excited about that. So we're going to get started today. We're going to do a little quick warm-up. You guys are very used to this. Today, instead of raising your hand to tell me the answers, you're just going to yell them out. So at your house, when you hear the question, you're just going to yell out what the answer is. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. What kinds of letters make up the alphabet? We have two types. Good job. We have vowels and we have consonants. Name the vowels. Tell me what they are. A, E, I, O, and U. And I bet some of you are saying sometimes Y acts like a vowel on the ends of words, and you are correct. If you're not a vowel, what are you called? Perfect. Consonants. Can you help me? There are 26 letters in the alphabet, and 5 of them are vowels. If you are not a vowel, you're a consonant. Excellent. It's been a while since we did our little review chant together. So just a little recap of all of our phonics rules coming together. All right, so today we're going to review our CK digraph. Now, I got some great feedback from Gemma yesterday. She told me she noticed in the one video I sent you that CK had on a backpack. And that is because CK always comes at the back of words. So he is the final sound sometimes that we hear in words. So my first word is sock. Sock. How do I know that sock, that O needs a breathe? Because it is followed by a consonant. And then I'm going to underline that digraph to show that it is together. Excellent. D-a-k. So I'm going to underline CK. U is a short vowel. It gets a breathe. It's followed by a consonant. And the word black has a blend. Black. So I'm going to underline, and my A gets a breathe. Now, I wanted to recap a few other codings that we've talked about and make sure you're refreshed and remembering. So we talked about QU, and we talked about that special code that QU gets. So he gets an arc that goes underneath, kind of looks like a smiley face, right? Because Q and U are stuck like glue. They always want to be together. They are best friends. And then we talked about when I have a vowel that is not followed by a consonant in phonics, that is a long vowel sound. So this E gets a macaron for the long vowel sound. So just a little recap, review of some skills. After Easter, you guys are going to have some quizzes coming from Ms. Freeman, and a lot of this stuff is included. So we'll have kind of some review lessons, and then you'll take a little quiz from me, and it'll ask these kinds of questions on there so that you're constantly refreshing your memory of all the skills that we've talked about this school year. So we're ready to rock and roll on sheet 110. So I have mine ready with my name on it. We have our Q word, right? The word that we reference for this rule, and that is the word duck. We're reminded that that CK is at the end of the word. And we're going to go through 12 sounds today. So it won't take us as long because we only have 12 to do. And the first one we're going to do together. So number 1 is the K sound. So remember that now you're going to write that K, comma C, final digraph, CK. Okay, so it looks like this. K, comma C, then I have those two lines side by side, final digraph, CK. Excellent. Number 2, E, E. Number 3, X. Number 4, V. Number 5, U. Number 6, I. Number 7, a. Number 8, w. Number 9, qu. And remember, I have to have both or it does not make that sound. Number 10, j. Number 11, o. And number 12, E. Inside the box, you're going to underline CK digraph. So, underline all the CKs you see, and your paper should look like this. If you need to go back and listen to a few sounds, feel free to do that. Today, we did not have to put the macaron on the long vowels. If you did that, it's perfectly okay. Don't feel like you need to erase it. But that you just know in the future. You don't have to put the macaron on it. You're just going to know if it's A, I write A. If it's A, I write A. So keep that in mind. On the back today, numbers 1 through 6, we're going to read the word. So I'm going to sound out with you. We're going to code, and then we're going to draw a line to the picture that matches. So number 1, we have a blend at the beginning. B-R, B-R-I-C, B-R-I-C, brick. So we're going to put a breve on the I because it's followed by a consonant. And we have to underline that CK digraph. And we're going to draw a line to brick. Excellent. Number 2, we have D-U-C, D-U-C, duck. So we can breve on the U because it's followed by a consonant. And we're going to underline CK. And I want to know, I want you to whisper this to your parents. Even though duck has 4 letters, does it make 4 sounds? Hopefully you are yelling, no. Oh, I said whisper actually. Hopefully you're whispering, no. It doesn't. Even though it has 4 letters, that CK comes together and it only makes 1 sound. Let's look at number 3. R-A-K, rock. So you're going to code the O, underline CK, and draw a line to rock. Number 4, S-A-K, sock. So we already did that one together on our board. We're going to put a breve on the O, underline CK, and draw a line to sock. Now, number 5 is a tricky word, and a lot of times friends miss this TR blend. So it's tr, tr, and a lot of times we want to, like we say truck when we say it really fast. Some of us hear like a J at the beginning when we're trying to sound this out. So it's actually a TR when you hear that sound. Truck, truck. So we're putting a breve on the U, underlining CK, drawing a line to the truck. And our last one, L-A-K. We're going to put a breve on the O, underline CK, and draw a line to lock. L-A-K, lock. Be sure to review those words in the bottom in your high frequency word box. Excellent. And you're going to take a picture today of the back. I want to see your codes and your lines drawn to the picture for completion. You guys did awesome. I'm going to go ahead and put another video down for you to review blends today. So be sure to check that out. So there will be a CK and a blend video for you. Bye guys.